This time I will show you how to make beautiful, unusual white pattern in Bruges lace technique. You can use it as a trim for the clothes or as a part of the pattern. For work you need a ball of yarn and a crochet hook. Begin the work by making a chain of 9. Five chains are for the chain space and other 4 for double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert the hook into the 4th chain stitch, make the first double crochet. Make 3 double crochet in a row. Chain of 5, turn the work, and 4 double crochet in a row. One, 2, 3, 4. Make a chain of 5 for the chain space. Turn the work and 4 double crochet in a row. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here how it looks. This is the beginning of the work. In this case it will be the front side of the Bruges lace and this side will be inside part. As you can see, there are 2 chain spaces on the inside part. Then you should continue working with Bruges lace and you should make 13 chain spaces in the inside part. As you can see, I continued the work. After the 2 chain spaces, I did 13 chain spaces more. In total it should be 15 chain spaces. I'm going to make a turn in inside part. In this case, for the turn, I will use 8 chain spaces. Make a chain of 7. Yarn over the hook twice. Make treble crochet. I do not finish the stitch. Then yarn over the hook 3 times, insert the hook into the next chain space, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 3 times. In this case I will do 5 more double treble crochet stitches, not finish. In total it should be 6 of them. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yarn over the hook twice. Make treble crochet. Let's count how many loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 loops. Then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook. And single crochet. Make a chain of 3. Make single crochet to the next chain space. Make a chain of 3. Turn the work. This is the back side of the turn. As you can see, 7 chain space. I'm making single crochet into the 4th chain stitch from the beginning of this chain space. 1, 2, 3. Make single crochet into the 3rd chain stitch of this chain space. Make single crochet, chain of 2, make 4 double crochet in a row, chain of 5, turn the work, and 4 double crochet in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's stop and look what we have done. Here how it looks. Then I'm going to continue working on the Bruges lace, and while doing this I'm making the joining points. The joining has 3 points. 1, 2, 3. I will make double crochet, then single crochet, chain of 2, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the chain space, make double crochet, chain of 2, make 4 double crochet in a row, chain of 5 for the chain space, make double crochet 4 times, chain of 2, make single crochet into the next chain space, chain of 2, turn the work, and 4 double crochet in a row, chain of 5, turn the work, and 4 double crochet, chain of 2, make single crochet to the next chain space, chain of 2, and 4 double crochet in a row, chain of 5 and double crochet into the each of next 4 stitches. We'll need to do 3 more chain spaces after the last joining point. Here how it looks. I remind you, I did 3 more chain spaces after the last joining. I remind you, the joining has 3 points. I did double crochet into this chain space, single crochet and single crochet. Then I continued working with Bruges lace. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chain spaces. Then did 4 double crochet in a row. Now I show you how to make the turn into this direction. Make a chain of 7 for the chain space. Yarn over the hook twice. Insert the hook into the next chain space, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops twice. I do not finish this stitch. Yarn over the hook 3 times. Make treble crochet. Make double treble crochet stitch, not finish. In total it should be 6 such double treble crochet stitches. First is ready. We need to do 5 more. 2, 3, 4, 5 and the 6th one. Yarn over the hook twice and make treble crochet, not finish. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 loops. Then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook. Make single crochet, chain of 3, make single crochet into the next chain space, chain of 3, turn the work. Here 7 chain space. Let's count 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook into the 3rd chain stitch, make single crochet. Chain of 2, make 4 double crochet in a row. Five chains for the chain space. Turn the work. Make 4 double crochet in a row. Let's stop at this point and look what we have done. Here how the work looks like. After the last turn, I will join in 2 points, 1, 2. I will use single crochet and double crochet, chain of 2, make single crochet into the next chain space, chain of 2, turn the work, and 4 double crochet in a row. Chain of 5, turn the work, make 4 double crochet in a row, chain of 2, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next chain space, make double crochet, chain of 2, make double crochet 4 times, chain of 5, make 4 double crochet in a row, we have done joining into points. Then I'm going to work with 6 chain spaces on the side where we did the last joining point. After the last joining point, I have done 6 chain spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Work with turn. I will work with opposite side. We continue working in the second part of this tutorial. Thanks for watching.